We're here in East Petaluma and just wanted to review a project that we did over 10 years ago and just see how that has grown in and kind of do an overview of the installation here. So in the front yard, what we did was a complete clean slate, and then we came in both in the front and the back with new stamped concrete, colored stamped concrete, and new plantings and landscaping throughout here. We just last spring did a little bit of a tune-up here, replaced some older plants, but what you can see is this has really grown in nicely and really frames what we have. So we have kind of a little bit of some organic shapes on these steps that lead up to a front landing. This is a Davis Colors concrete with a natural stone texture stamp here, and this is in San Diego buff color is our color out here. But we can see how this Japanese maple, the lorope, those have grown in real nice. We've got a border of some germander, some blue fescue, and some daylilies that kind of frame the entryway there. And then we have this new concrete driveway. This is over on the east side of Petaluma, so we do have expansive soils, but this driveway did exceptionally well in terms of not having any cracking, and sometimes it's just a little bit of a luck of a draw, but you can see where we did have a nice tight pattern of expansion joints here to help control cracking here. Let's take a look at the backyard. So here in the backyard, we continued with that same treatment of the stamped color concrete, and then we frame that with a redwood pergola that frames that patio. And you can see how these plantings have really grown in nicely over the years here. So a small lawn in the backyard here, and then we can see kind of a repeating pattern. The homeowner's really done a wonderful job at maintaining this garden. So we have beautiful star jasmine that's lining this fence along that side. We have pink jasmine here along the back of the fence, and then we have our plantings coming in there. Over here on the side, we have a little gravel area with some walkways and roses, some more germander to border that along those walkways there. And then you can see over the intervening years here, we planted a couple of Marina strawberry trees, and those have really grown up and given us some nice shade. You can see they're one of our most popular small scale trees and have that real nice cinnamon looking bark there. And then our reverse view. The lawn has taken a little bit of a beating here on the drought, but still looking pretty good overall, and our plantings have really grown in and matured well. So this is a concrete installation here on the east side of Petaluma.